Alright, this video shows you how to make a call. First you go to the theloginscreen.com and log in with the username and password that I will send you. And once logged in, you get this little area here. We're going to choose Campaign Manager for voice broadcasting. When this pops up, we're going to choose New Campaign up here in the top left. We're going to give the campaign a name. Today's date is 2019 4/18. You can name that whatever you want. We're going to type in the caller ID that's the listeners are going to hear or are going to see when they are called. So I'm going to go ahead and add Pastor to that. This is just for my reference later. The type of campaign, you're just going to leave that to default. Choose one of the following options. We're going to choose the second one. Play the same message to live answers and answering machine / voicemails. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to skip this one. Down here, do you want to give the people the option to press a digit included in your do not call list? And we're going to say yes. We'll leave that as 9. That's fine. We do not want to screen that. Do you want the campaign to be able to dial known mobile numbers? We need to click yes right there. It comes up with this verification. We're going to say yes. And those are the only things we need to choose on this screen. And we'll go ahead and click next. And now we need to choose an audio file. Now I'm looking at the date and time here. I see on 4/18/2009 at 14:23 there was a call from 262-5773. So that's Pastor's call. I'm going to click choose and I'm going to click OK. And now it asks to do a test call. So I'm going to put my number in for the test call. And we're going to find out if that's going to call me and treat me right. Hello.
Evangel World Prayer Center here in Louisville. I want to invite you.
And this is working great.
Good Friday service.
So I'm going to go ahead and stop that call and click OK. And then I'm going to click next. Okay, now we need to add the phone numbers, and we're going to choose this 2019-04 or whatever the latest list is. And that in this case, this is the one, April of 2019 list. And we're going to click add that. We're going to click OK. And we're going to click OK again. It says now your campaign's ready to be scheduled. So the very last thing is to schedule it so we can actually make the call. Now we named that 2019 4/18 Pastor. So I'm going to click on that one because that's the one I want to send out. Up at the top, I'm going to click schedule. And we're going to choose add to schedule up here at the top. And we're choosing today's date. This one's going to be real important. Calls per minute. You don't want to leave that at 1 because that means it's going to make 1 call every minute. We're just going to change that to 2000. And the start time is 3:30, which it's about that time right now. So I will click save. And okay, April 18th, it is right here in the schedule. So anytime now, I should be getting a phone call. And so that's it. That's really all there is to it. And there's the call.